I'm done giving these bitches chances, and I'm done giving you niggas passes. I'm the truth and they can't understand it, and I'll be reppin' what I rep until I'm dead.
You niggas scared, I took the stairs to the tip top. Spittin' crack raps, 80 shit, hip hop. In the spot, writing raps, selling dope to fiends. Little motor paper pro, I'm dumping dope and weed. What you mean? You got a pass, cause you was with your bitch. Cause I'm mean, step on the scene, toting a 30 dick. And I ain't talking about the 30 dicks your bitch just ate. Got 3 spots, but still be posted at the Super 8.
When I was coming up, they said, brother, you the future. And now I'm grown up and realized they was using us, the youth. Polluted with these pussies and snitches, and it don't make it no better that these dicks get to kill us. Okay, I feel you. So I done came to the conclusion that I'm done giving passes. Plus I'm riding with 2 of them. I'm thugging, cousin. Asking auntie or you buzzing. When B slid through, he was riding with 100.
I'm done giving these bitches chances, and I'm done giving you niggas passes. I'm the truth and they can't understand it, and I'll be reppin' what I rep until I'm dead. I'm done giving these bitches chances, and I'm done giving you niggas passes. I'm the truth and they can't understand it, and I'll be reppin' what I rep until I'm dead.
I've been out my mind, where did the time go? In the drought, pushing this line, one at a time, no. Nobody ever handed me shit, I got my grind on. Took a loss, fucking with suckers, managed my time wrong. In the same location, but different time zone. No matter where I'm located, I'm ducking 5-0. Chill spot, me and my killers, we in a condo. So many apes and gorillas, it look like Congo. Fingertips, start up the car, I had to take it there. You come to club to chill with the star, we getting cake in there. Dealers keep selling them hard, just trying to bubble up. My granny crying, walked in the room, my uncle shooting up. Trying to do right for my kids, man, I ain't doing much. Been through so much in our life, what can you do to us? Ghost friends killing my needs, I be a fool to trust. This man going home to his kids, I let the Fuga